everyone, welcome to the Tom Sports channel. For today's instructional video, we'll be looking at a program called Scooter. There are many different kinds of scooters with different shapes and colors you can purchase online. At Tom Sports, we use a square scooter that comes in 4 different colors: red, green, yellow, and blue. We teach our children the safe way to hold the handles. The prompt is, put your fingers through the hole and hold the scooter.
Come over here and turn around and sit like this. Can you do it?
I can
So easy, right? If I tip you, don't step on it. Turn around. And rule number 2, when you sit down on the taxi, you have to hold inside, because if you hold the handle outside, another taxi. Oh, where's my finger? Oh, good.
First thing we teach children is to move forward on the scooter using only their feet. The prompt is, move forward like this. Or the long version is, move forward on the scooter using only your feet. To move backward on the scooter, you can say, this time use only your feet moving backwards.
Let's see. Jessie, June.
Now this time, lay down on your belly and use your hands to move forward. Or you can say, use your arms to push yourself forward. As you can see, the children reach a checkpoint and then return to the finish line.
We are going to be a Superman taxi. Put your belly button on the floor and drive your hands and feet. Come on. Can you do it? There you go. Watch out! Watch out!
To make the activity more challenging, you can make the course zigzag, curved, or set up a time limit. Now let's look at how we can use the scooter with a partner. The prompt is simple, make groups of 2. Let's make groups of 2. Make sure the rope is tied onto the scooter so that one student can pull the scooter and the other student can sit on it.
Well, you have to sit the passenger, right? So just cross your legs. Hold your legs. I said ears open. Okay, and then a taxi driver has to, oh, what are you doing? You turn back. You have to check, the taxi driver check handle and legs, and then, are you ready?
Yeah.
He say yes, passenger say yes, right? And you can go. Can you do it? Come on. Okay, you can change, right? Change the role, okay? What should I do? You have to ask me.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's go.
can make this program more entertaining by giving the children a role. The prompt is, he's the driver and she's the passenger. Or, she's the taxi driver and he's the passenger. The next step is to give the children a prompt. The prompt for the taxi driver is, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? This interaction enables the students to communicate directions. Make sure all the students get a turn to be both the passenger and the driver. To make this program more realistic, you can incorporate real-life places such as hospital, shopping mall, library, school. I'd like to suggest as a tip that children love it when you place flags of different countries in a crowd, such as Korea, Philippines, Switzerland, Spain. Then the passenger would say, let's go to Korea, or let's go to Philippines, let's go to Spain. That's it from me. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next free instructional video.